In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project in Asana, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a project, organize your work, and bring your team together in one place. Start by logging into your Asana account on your desktop. The desktop layout gives you a clear view of all your tools and makes it easier to manage multiple tasks at once. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and navigate to your workspace, which is the home base where your projects and teams live. Under your Workspace section, click Create Project. In the Create Project window, give your project a clear, descriptive name so teammates instantly know what it's about. Think of names that include the goal or time frame, like Q3 Marketing Launch or Website Redesign. Next, choose your layout. If you pick List, you'll see tasks in a straightforward, top-to-bottom list, great for checklists, meeting agendas, or structured plans. If you pick Board, your tasks will appear as cards and columns, perfect for a Kanban-style workflow where work moves from stage to stage. Choose the one that best matches how your team thinks and works. Click Create Project to open it up. Inside the project, click Add Task to start adding your work items. Type a clear, action-oriented task name and press Enter. This saves the task and lets you quickly add the next one, which is ideal for capturing a full backlog in one sitting. To make sure everyone knows who's doing what, assign tasks by clicking the Assignee field and selecting a team member. Assigning a task creates accountability and keeps your project moving. Then set a due date by clicking the calendar icon and selecting a realistic date. Deadlines help your team prioritize and coordinate. If you're in list view, use sections to group tasks by stages like To Do, In Progress, and Done. In Board view, set up columns for the same purpose. Organizing work by stages helps you visualize progress and spot bottlenecks quickly. Click Customize at the top right to tailor the project to your needs. Add custom fields such as priority, status, or effort, so everyone shares the same definitions and can filter or sort tasks consistently. You can also adjust project settings to fine-tune how your team views and uses the space. Finally, invite team members to collaborate by clicking Invite team members in your workspace. Include a brief note with context so people know the project's purpose and what to do first. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.